Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel Lotto Tech Hub. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through a complete educational walkthrough on how to set up and use HA Tunnel Plus files from start to finish for privacy, security, and safe browsing purposes. How to download the app, how to configure it with a secure and legal server, how to create and share configuration files. This guide is designed for educational purposes only and should always be used in compliance with your local laws and your network provider's terms of service. Step 1. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type HA Tunnel Plus and tap Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Step 2. Inside the app, you'll see options for server and port. The default port, 443, works in most cases, so we'll leave it as it is. From the server list, you can choose the one closest to your location for the best performance. Step 3. Some configurations may require a custom SNI server name indication to connect. This is usually provided by your VPN provider or network administrator. For this tutorial, we'll use an example value for demonstration purposes only. To add it, tap Custom SNI, enter the example host provided for this educational demo. Save your settings. Step 4, tap Import, Export, select Export. Give your file a name and description, optional. Add a password and expiry date for security. Tap Export to save the file on your device. Step 5, go to Import, Export. Select Import. Browse for the file on your device. Tap it to load the settings. Step 6, tap the Start button to connect. Wait for connection status to show Connected. If the connection fails, check your server choice or confirm the settings with your provider. Final notes. HA Tunnel Plus is a great tool for secure and encrypted browsing when used responsibly. Always follow your internet provider's rules. Avoid using it for unauthorized access. Use it for privacy, education, and legitimate purposes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the